Hello and welcome to Enoven Food. I'm Nahida and today I'm bringing you a quick and delightful sweet treat, Suji Mishti. Soft, juicy and coated with coconut. This is a melt in the mouth dessert that's perfect for any celebration or a simple craving. Let's get started. In a pan, heat 1 teaspoon of ghee. Add half cup of suji or semolina and start stirring. Roast in low flame for a couple of minutes until slightly aromatic. Now pour in 1 and 1/4 cup of milk. Mishti is a classical Bengali sweet and this version uses no chhena or paneer, followed by 1 tablespoon of sugar. Suji Mishti is a creative twist that's quicker and easier to make. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee. Let it come to a gentle boil while continuously stirring. Stir the suji mixture continuously to avoid lumps. Keep cooking until the mixture thickens and start leaving the sides of the pan. Don't overcook. Remove from heat as soon as the dough separates cleanly from the pan. Once done, let it cool for 5 minutes. Now knead it well into a smooth dough. Knead the dough while it's still slightly warm. That makes shaping easier. Grease your hands with a little oil and shape them into oval sweets. Milk adds protein and calcium to this dessert. Cardamom not only adds flavor but also helps with digestion. In another pan, add half cup sugar, 1 and 1/4 cup of water, and a sprinkle of cardamom powder. This version is made without mawa or khoa, keeping it simpler and lighter. Bring it to a boil to make a light sugar syrup. Gently add the Suji Sweets to the syrup and cook for 5 minutes. Suji is light and easy to digest compared to refined flour. Don't boil the sweets in sugar too long or they may lose shape. Once done, take them out and let them cool slightly. These sweets soak up syrup beautifully despite being made from semolina. Finally, coat each sweet with desiccated coconut and your Suji Mishti is ready to serve. Have you ever made sweets using semolina instead of paneer? Tell me in the comments if you will try this for your next celebration. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Enoven Foods for more easy homemade sweets and snacks. Until next time, stay sweet and keep cooking.